Morning breaks with silver light, a trembling wing, a heart held tight. A tiny bird on branches high wonders if today's the sky. Shadows stretch across the dawn, its mother's call is soft and gone. The world below, a distant sigh, the little bird begins to try. A sudden gust, the branches sway, the bird steps back but doesn't stray. A leap of faith, a trembling glide, a drop, a dip, then upward pride. Ooh. The forest hums its warm embrace, the wind lifts softly into grace. Each flutter sends a bold reply, a song of courage to the sky. Rustling pines, the world expands. The bird is guided by gentle hands. Fear now fading, courage braiding, dreams once stolen now cascading. Golden dust begins to fall, the bird now soars above it all. The sky it feared becomes its friend, a journey found from end to end. Returning home with open wings, it shares the song new courage brings. A